Did you know that the revenue from ebooks is projected to reach close to 16,000 million US dollars by the end of 2021? Maybe you want a piece of this pie, but you don't know where to start. If you want to know how to create an ebook for free, step by step, how to design your ebook, edit it, and finally how to publish and promote it, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to design your ebook for free, so it will look professional and stylish. And we are starting now. When I decided to create my ebook, I had a hard time finding a good video that will walk me through the entire process from A to Z. This is the reason for me making this video series, in which I'll show you the entire ebook creation step by step. By the end of the 3 videos, you will have your own ebook being published online. So in the first video, we created our content, found the best-selling topics, and created a catchy title. We have also wrote a good description using the best keywords. If you haven't watched the first video, go watch it now. It will be linked in the description below. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and edit your ebook for free. We are going to give your ebook a professional style. My advice for you is to grab a pen and paper, watch the first video if you haven't, then watch this video till the end. Take notes, implement what I'm telling here, and then watch the third video. The third video will show you how to publish and promote your ebook. So if you have watched the first part and you're ready to continue, then let's design your ebook. So before you actually creating your ebook, sign up for free Canva account. You will find the link in the description below this video. And here I have to mention it is an affiliate link, and if you decide to upgrade to Canva Pro, I will get a small commission at no additional cost to you. Everything explained in this video covered by the free plan, so you can sign up for completely free, and I will appreciate you using my link. When creating your account, click on Create a Design. Then in the search box, type A4 document or US letter. Both will be the right dimensions for our ebook. Choose from the templates on the left. Try to find a template with a lot of pages. This will make the whole process easier and will give you an idea on how to design your pages. Click on the template you like and you can have a closer look at all the pages. Now you can import all the pages or each page separately. Click on the page to start editing. Every little thing in Canva is editable, and the drag and drop model is very beginner friendly. Double-click on the text to type in, drag and drop images from the library, or upload your own pictures. You can type your ebook right in Canva text body, but I prefer to write my ebook on Word document and then copy-paste the text to Canva. Duplicate pages to give your ebook a constant look. So I have my ebook made on Word document, and it is the final version after proofreading. To proofread my book, I paid $30 to a Fiverr freelancer. If you have good English, check carefully for errors yourself or ask your family or friends to read your book and check for errors. Look for typos, grammar errors, and the flow of information being passed across the book. So I just copy-paste my text from the Word document to Canva and make some last edits. To make sure it is aligned, click on the position and choose the option you prefer. If you want to link to something, highlight the text, then click on the link icon and insert the link URL. The link will be clickable on a PDF file. Make sure you're using the same fonts and colors, and the whole look of your book looks professional and clean. I would suggest not making your book too colorful, using as much white as you can. That way, if your reader decides to print the book, he will save the ink. Don't forget the pagination and the pages like About and Conclusion page. In the end, I always like to include some resources as well as my business information and the ways my readers can reach me. That way you can answer questions and get feedbacks on your ebook. It is also an opportunity to get a new subscribers or followers to your tribe. So after you're done editing and designing your ebook, click on Download. Make sure all the pages included and download as a printable PDF. If your ebook is a freebie or lead magnet, you don't have to download the file. You can share the file by clicking on Share, making sure it isn't editable, copy the link and paste it on your landing page or other places you promote in your freebie. In case it is an ebook you want to sell, I will suggest you download the high-quality PDF and will upload it to the place you are going to publish it. Canva saves all your designs, but I always like to download my files and save them on my PC. Also, make sure to download the cover of your book and the two of the interior pages as a separate files. So the next step is to make a cover for our book and the preview of those interior pages we downloaded. The purpose of doing it is to show the reader a sneak peek of what he's going to get inside. The platform I'm using for that is Smart Mockups. You can make your cover on Canva, but the free version is pretty limited. In Smart Mockups, you will have a free trial for 7 days, and then you can continue using limited tools for free. If you decided to upgrade, they have a $9 plan, which is great when you're regularly selling your ebooks. In Smart Mockups, hover over a print and select magazines and books. Choose your mockup, then click on Upload From and select your image. Smart Mockups directly integrated with Canva, but I like to download my image and then upload it from my PC. Resize and adjust your image, then click on Crop and Continue. Now choose a different mockup that looks like an open book or magazine. Upload your two interior pages that we downloaded, adjust, then click on Crop and Continue and download the high-resolution image. So now you have created a beautiful, professionally designed ebook. The only thing that left is to sell it. In the next video, I will show you how to publish your ebook easy and free and how to promote your ebook to make sales and earn money. You will find this video linked in the description below and also here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you got value from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.